How players make a woman blush. Making a woman blush is an art form. It's not about cheesy one liners or over the top compliments. It's about creating a moment where she feels desired, flustered, and intrigued all at once. A true player knows how to tap into that perfect combination of confidence and charm to make her cheeks turn red and her heart race. By the time you're done, you'll know exactly how to make her blush and have her thinking about you long after the moment has passed. Before anything else, you've got to carry yourself with confidence. Women pick up on energy faster than you think. And if you're coming across as unsure or timid, she won't respond the way you want. Confidence isn't about arrogance, it's about knowing your worth and being comfortable in your own skin. When you look into her eyes, hold that gaze just a little longer than usual. It creates tension, the good kind. Add a slight smirk, and she'll be blushing before you even say a word. Speak clearly and calmly. A confident tone makes everything you say sound more appealing, even the simplest of compliments. If you're nervous, fake it until you make it. Practice standing tall, maintaining eye contact, and speaking with attention. A confident man has the power to disarm a woman and make her feel butterflies with ease. Any guy can tell a woman she's pretty, but a player knows how to take compliments to the next level. The key is to be specific and unexpected. Women hear generic compliments all the time, so you've got to stand out by noticing things men overlook. For example, instead of saying you look nice, try that color looks amazing. It makes your eyes stand out. Instead of you're beautiful, say I like the way you smile. It's not just about the words though. Delivery matters. Lean in slightly, lower your voice, and make it feel personal. When you pair a thoughtful compliment with confident energy, she'll feel seen and appreciated in a way that catches her off guard, and that's when the blushing kicks in. You can also tease her. Teasing is one of the oldest tricks in the book, and for good reason. It works. When done right, it creates a playful dynamic that makes her feel flustered in the best way. The key is to strike a balance between lighthearted teasing and genuine affection. For instance, if she's wearing something ugly, you might say, wow, I guess you really wanted attention tonight, right? Deliver it with a smirk, of course. If she says something funny, respond with, that's cute, you're trying to impress me, huh? Teasing shows her that you're confident, witty, and not afraid to challenge her a little. Just make sure your tone stays playful. If you come off as mean, you'll kill the vibe instead of making her blush. Touching is also a powerful tool, but it's also where a lot of guys mess up. The goal is to make your touch feel natural and intentional, not forced or awkward. A light, well-timed touch can send a jolt of excitement through her and leave her cheeks glowing. Here's how to do it. When you're walking through a crowd or guiding her somewhere, place your hand gently on her lower back. It's subtle but intimate. If you're sitting next to her, let your hands accidentally touch for a moment before pulling away. Or if there's a strand of hair out of place, a tag sticking out, gently fix it while saying, hold still, let me get that for you. These small touches combined with eye contact and a confident demeanor will make her feel special and keep her guessing about your intentions, exactly where you want her to be. One of the best ways to make a woman blush is to catch her off guard with a bold or unexpected comment. This doesn't mean being an asshole or a jerk. It means stepping outside the conversation and saying something that makes her pause and smile. For example, if she's telling a story, respond with, I'm sorry, I didn't hear a word you said. I was too focused on your lips. Or, during a playful moment, lean in and whisper, you like me, don't you? The goal is to create a moment where she doesn't know how to respond right away. The hesitation, that little laugh as she looks down and tries to hide her smile. That's when you know you've got her. Also try to build anticipation. A player knows that anticipation is everything. If you can make her feel something before anything even happens, you've already won half the battle. Building anticipation is all about creating moments of tension that leave her wondering what's coming next. If you're texting, don't reply too quickly. If you're out together, don't give her all your attention at once. Let her feel the tension of wanting more. Anticipation keeps her on her toes and makes every interaction more exciting. Now, when you do flirt, always be playful and never hesitate. Flirting is about having fun and creating a dynamic where she feels desired but not overwhelmed. A true player knows how to balance charm and humor to keep things light, engaging, and most importantly, blush-worthy. Here are some examples. If she's joking around, say, careful, you're making it hard for me to stay focused on anything else right now. If she compliments you, respond with, I know, but it's always nice to hear. If she's being shy, tease her with, Don't get quiet now. I was just starting to like you. Flirting is all about energy. Keep the vibe playful, maintain your confidence, and let the chemistry do the rest. But you have to know when to pull back. Here's the secret sauce. Sometimes the best way to make her blush is to leave her wanting more. If you've been flirting, teasing, and building tension, know when to step back and let her process everything. By pulling back at the right moment, you leave her thinking about you and replaying the interaction in her head. That's how you stay on her mind. Look, the bottom line is making a woman blush isn't about cheesy lines or over the top gestures. It's about knowing how to create moments that make her feel special and desired. A true player understands that it's the little things, the specific compliments, the playful teasing, the well-timed touches that leave the biggest impressions. If you master these techniques, you'll not only make her blush, you'll make her crave more time with you. So go out there, play the game with style, and watch how quickly you become the man she can't stop thinking about. I got more game like this coming in my new book, Checkmate, From Pawn to King. It should be dropping soon, so keep an eye out for it. All my players on my email list will get first dibs and a discount. So if you're not on my list, go to www.adosagame.com and get on it by downloading my cheat sheet of 10 tips on what to say to a woman when you first meet her. I'll holler at you players in the next video. Until then, play on, player.